What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be a quick tip how-to video, because I'm going to be prepping this minibus in preparation for a brand new paint job that's going to be coming soon. And as you can see, I've got a few graphics running the entire length of the bus on both sides, and I've seen the question come up time and again on some of the forums online on how to remove graphics stickers away from vehicles. So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show you how I'm going to be removing all of these stickers away from this minibus. Now you can use a mixture of different solvents, scrapers, different things like that. My preferred method is going to be a heat gun. You just need to get the heat gun quite close to the graphics that you want them to remove, and then get an edge away and then move the heat gun away, and it will let the tape or the graphic or the vinyl start to harden again, and then you should be able to start peeling it away. And if you just run in tandem with the heat gun, generally around about 6 inches in front of you, you should be able to peel almost full lengths of stickers, graphics, vinyl away in one peel. So I'm going to get the heat gun out and we're going to get these stickers removed on both sides. I'll show you the method that I use, and hopefully it'll come in handy for yourself if you're looking to remove some vinyl stickers or graphics away from previously company owned vehicles or previous campervan conversions that you don't like the graphics on. And this should be a quick, easy way to get them all removed. So I'll get the heat gun out, get some tools out, we'll get these stickers off, and we'll see what it looks like when it's all done. Now, whilst taking all the stickers off, it's always the hope that it's never going to leave any residue behind. But as you can see, there's a couple of small areas where there's just a little bit of sticky residue left over from the stickers, and the quickest and easiest way to get this removed is just with some white spirit. just put that onto a microfiber cloth and give it a really good rub, and maybe a bit of a scrape down with a plastic scraper as well. And the white spirit should be able to get pretty much any of the remaining adhesive off any panels, and it also won't damage any paintwork that's still remaining. So I'm going to get some of this rubbed off, just to get the final little bits of, as I say, just that little bits of sticky residue away, and then that'll be pretty much all of the bodywork fully labelled sticker free. Right guys, so there we go. That is all of the vinyl striping and stickering removed, all of the wording all the way around the bus removed from all the side doors, the rear doors, things like that as well. Any remaining residues all been taken off now as well. So it means I can now finally crack on and get the rest of this paintwork fully flatted back and get the van ready for an upcoming Raptor paint respray. But as you can see, it's made a hell of a difference if you compare it to the other bus that I've got sat here waiting. All of these stripes, all of the wording along the full side, all removed now, and it's made a hell of a difference to the bus. It just makes it look a hell of a lot nicer, neater, tidier, rather than having all of the old vinyl stickers still stuck on. So that's how I've got rid of all of the vinyl stickering, all of the wording around all the arches and around all the emergency shut-offs, all of the emergency exit wording on the rear doors, including the old bus children's sticker, things like that as well. So everything's been removed, all just with a heat gun and a plastic scraper, and it's all only taken me probably maybe about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at most, to do the entire bus. So that's how I've removed all of the vinyl stickering and wording on this bus. I hope you found this video useful, and it might come in handy if you're going to be removing similar sort of stickers, vinyl, sign writing, company writing, things like that, if you bought the bus that might already be sign written. So hopefully you found how I've removed all this sticker useful. If you did, please do give the video a good old thumbs up. Have a look in the video description below. I'll put a link to the heat gun, to some scrapers, things like that, just to get you away if you're going to be removing some similar sort of stuff yourself. And remember to hit that subscribe button below and have a look at my channel for plenty of previous content. So hopefully I'll see you on the next video of my series. Thanks for watching. Hope you found the video useful. Cheers.